Yes, here is the list of talks nobody likes to talk, the 4 basic future human needs, and the result of the growing greed is poverty for all. Greed may be rational, hunger is for everyone, water will be the investment, children will value gold, health will be faked, wealth is temporary, knowledge will be on paper books, again. Today's title is, Heal the World. What is your relationship with the word love? Or dopamine, or contribute to society and have results that last, in a word, legacy. The things we cannot expect, control or adapt to, and all the things we learn until future will become present. A point directed towards about 4 needs what people have, not using money and healing the world to make a better place to live, our 5 meters surrounding world bubble. Heal the world, it sounds like a Michael Jackson song, but this talk is more profound. Hunger and freedom are worldwide motivation issues everyone has. The future is telling you something in each episode. Welcome to Enrich Talks YouTube channel. The woman in the image represents the future, the birthplace of the future generations is in Africa, the love must come from Europe, the nearest sister continent, and yes, our values and beliefs will collide, clash and disagree, but this is the future. Human race will combine these genes, colors, and their needs into a society of the future with the only purpose of surviving together as a big family. One blink of reality, dogs instead of having children, a small war here, a small conflict there, a forest has disappeared, a lake has evaporated, a nation was erased from the map, people die suffocated by the things they are attached to, and we choke with toxic thoughts every day, when we can choose peace. In some previous episodes we talk about why to change the world, how to remain in history and the face of Earth. The links are in the description of this video. The healing problems has 4 things we all need to survive, everyone needs them. Number 1 is food. Someone needs to produce food and drinkable water, someone is selling and someone is buying it, someone is eating too much, someone is dying because of hunger. In many poor countries, people are grateful if they survived another day, they fight for an empty plastic bottle, because those who have 1 bottle can store seeds, water, and edible insects. The climate change and wars between countries affects food production and distribution, plus the laziness of the people, because the cheaper food is, or the richer people are, they have the option, they stop working the land and sell their land for real estate projects. Healing the world means providing healthy food to everyone, and each human being has the hunger as main motivation to protest, steal, hunt, leave his family or community, or even kill if it is necessary for his survival and the survival of his family. The paradox of food is, we will need more food because the population is growing, we produce less food and with higher costs because of the climate change and economic crisis we already swim since year 2020. The second human need is to be loved. What is your relationship with love? You give, or you take? Less people will love each other, the younger generations never learned how love is working, what it feels like and how to share love and leave love as legacy for the future, even the old teachings of submissive women practice, and loving responsible husband is past. Love is pure and makes you unique, you cannot buy sincere love with money, you can pay someone to love you but it's not free of will. But you can have authentic love for your partner, and this love is enriching you also. Who is teaching how to love? People will die because of loneliness, lack of love, and not sharing their love because of fears. Everyone is waiting in vain and saying with stupidity arrogance, I wait for the perfect one to appear in my life to love him or her unconditionally. The truth is, we want to be loved, more than we love others. Few people think from an altruist point of view, still altruist people grow and win, long term. Being loved makes you special. School of Love and Love Factory. Maybe a future talk. The third need is contribution to the well-being of everyone and society. A TV personality said he is not important, TV shows can be made also by other people or replaced with movies. The man who takes your garbage, the plumber or electrician, even the accountant if you are a rich person, are vital for maintaining your house and life in order. Everyone has the need to contribute to the society he lives in, to feel that he belongs to a group, a social environment, that he is a part of a system where you get help when you need, and where you can help others. These are emotions. How many people have mental problems and are antisocial? They live alone and they isolate themselves from everyone, still they must survive somehow, gain some money working between people and respect the common sense rules of society. Let's give unlimited money to everyone. We can print infinite money, yes, but some people produce food, others sell the overpriced food to poor people, and others invest these free money, and this will happen with the universal basic income. The fourth fact is dopamine, is the result of our actions. Good or bad decisions, actions, or results, it is motivation. Everyone wants to see results. Motivation comes from results, or the delay gratification, or the hope of a positive result in the future. When you lost your motivation, you die inside, you become lazy, people around you see this, avoid you, or in best case scenario are helping you to overcome this life stage challenge. Heal the world with people. Money are fake, and there are things we can control and change, and the majority of things like the destiny of planet Earth, cannot be influenced by a hand of people, even if we pollute through our decision and hurt and destroy the environment we live in. Our generation, those who are living in this time frame on Earth, we are the key for a healthier planet through our relationship with life, with nature, and consumerism. The world population will grow with 3 billion in the next 80 years. We will need more of everything, and the resources are decreasing. We already have droughts, and extreme weather conditions. Our children will live in the world of year 2100, they will be 70 or 80 years old, how they will adapt to the new society. I have talked in my previous episodes about the end of emotions, end of money, and the dependency of the system. Many people will be too comfortable to think for themselves, easy to manipulate, and the herd mentality. Nice to meet you, I'm the black sheep.